Hello students, in previous video we have seen sets, power sets, intersection of two sets, union of two sets. Now in this video we will see some examples and Cartesian products. Now let's see this example. So, we have given interval -3 to 4, open interval -3 to 4 and B as closed interval 2 to 5. Then we have to find first their union, their intersection a minus b, different set a minus b, b minus a. Next is a union b minus a intersection b, and next is a minus b union b minus a. So solution. So what is given here is a real line, open interval -3 to 4 and b is from 2 to 5. So first one, so let x belongs to real number r, then we have to find set of those elements which belongs to a union b. So then x belongs to a union b. So what is the meaning for that? So if and only if x belongs to a or x belongs to b. So x belongs to a union b means what? If and only if x belongs to a or x belongs to b means a set of all those elements which either belong to set a or set b. Now set up all those elements. So x belongs to what? -3 4 and set up those elements belongs to b, which is close interval 2 to open 5. So if and only what we get, x belongs to -3 to 4 or x belongs to close interval 2 to 5. If and only. So what is the meaning for that? X belongs to -3 to 4 means what? -3 here is open interval, so we will take only strictly less than. So -3 less than x less than what? 4, or x belongs to 2 to 5 means x belongs to 5 means 2 less than, here is closed sign, so 2 less than equal to x less than 5. So geometrically here is -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So what is the first interval? First interval here is a real line. So what is given here is -3 to 4 and here is open interval, so we'll get open interval -3 to 4. So this is open interval, and second x belongs to close interval 2. So close interval 2, this is the close interval, and close interval to 5 is open. So this is now. So what is the meaning of union? Union is set of all those points which either belongs to set A or set B. So which is the combination of these two sets. So after combination of these two sets, so we get from -3 to what? Open 5. So here is interval -3, union of these two sets, because here their intersection is not empty, right? So intersection is not empty, so their union will be from -3 to 5. So their union, because here is -3 to 4 and second interval 2 to 5, their common part will be like this, right? So intersection is not empty, then their union will be whole this part. So the union will be, so set up all those points, x belongs to what? -3 less than x less than what? 5. If and only if this means what? We write, if and only if we write x belongs to what? -3 to 5 is the union of these two sets, that is a union b should be A union B should be -3 to 5. Now next we have to find their intersection. So second one, intersection. Let x belongs to real number R, then what, x belongs to what, A intersection B. So here is union. So what we have see, x belongs to A or x belongs to B. But in intersection, what is the definition for intersection? Intersection is set of all those points which belongs to both the set A and B. So what is the meaning for that? If and only if x belongs to A and x belongs to B, if and only if. So what is the set A? A will be -3 to 4. So -3 less than x less than 4, and second close interval 2 to 5, open interval 5. So what we get here, 2 less than equal to x less than 5, right? Now so here is the intersection. Intersection is a set of those points which is common to set A and B. So what are the common points here? Here is, let's see, this is the set first -3 to 4. Here this part is set A, and set B will be this part. This part is set B. Then what is the common points? So the common points is from close interval 2 to what? Here is -3 to 4 first part, and second part 2 to 5. 2 to 5 is second part. Then their common points will be from 2 to 4. So therefore if and only if the common points will be, what is the common points? Here is close to, right? So 2 less than equal to x less than what, 4, less than 4, which is the common point. Hence A intersection B should be close interval 2 to 4. Now we have to find what? We have to find A minus B. So what is the definition for different set? So definition for different set is set up all those points x belongs to A but x does not belongs to B. So we solve second one, third one. So here is -3 to 4 is the first set A, and second close interval 2 to 5 is the second set, right? Then their intersection will be 2 to 4. We have seen this. So here is open interval 4. Now next example, next is A minus B. So third one is A minus B. To find a different set A minus B. So what is the definition? Let x belongs to what? Real number R. Then set up those points x belongs to what? We have to find A minus B. So what is the definition? Set up all those points x belongs to A but not in B, right? So we write if and only if x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Means set up those points which belongs to A but which does not belongs to what? B. So what are the points which belongs to A but which does not belongs to B? Here is set B and here is set A. Set up those points which belongs to A but not in B. Here close interval 2 to 5 is close B, right? So what are the points which belongs to set A? So points from -3 to open 2 are the set of points which belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So the interval, so if and only if x belongs to A means what? X belongs to A set should be -3 to 4, and B set means x does not belongs to what? X does not belongs to B, close interval 2 to 5. So if and only if x belongs to -3 to 4 means -3 less than x less than 4, and here x does not belong to 2 to 5, means x should not in this set, right? Means x should be strictly less than 2 and greater than 5, means what we have to say here, and x strictly here is closed interval, right? So x should be strictly less than 2, and means here what are the points, x does not belongs to 2 and 5, means x value of x should not be in 2 to 5, means x strictly less than 2 means this direction, and x strictly x greater than equal to 5, right? X less than 2 or x greater than equal to 5, right? So what are the common point, what are the points? So point should be x always in from set A, means what are the points, if and only if -3 less than, because x does not belongs to P, so this interval which is not included in our set. So what are the points, -2 to -3 to 2, -3 less than x less than 2, which is the difference set. Hence a minus b should be -3 to 2. Now next we see fourth one is we have to find b minus a. Now let what is the definition, x belongs to R, then what is the definition, x belongs to what, b minus a. So what is the definition, if and only if set up all those points, x belongs to b and x does not belongs to a, right? Means what, set up those points, x belongs to b means what, x belongs to what, close interval 2 to open 5, and x does not belongs to what, x does not belongs to -3 to what, 2 4, -3 to 4 open interval. So if and only if what we get, 2 less than equal to, here is close sign, so less than equal to x less than 5, and here is x does not belongs to this interval -3 to 4, x does not belongs to this interval, means what, x strictly less than -3, x less than -3, or x greater than what, x greater than equal to 4, greater than equal to 4, right? Therefore what is the definition, set up all b minus a, set up points x belongs to b but which does not belongs to a, means set up points which does not belongs to a. So what is the set, a -3 to 4, so -3 to 4, so what are the point remaining, which is 4 to 5. Therefore here is close interval, right? So 4 does not included in this set, so we get, if and only if closed interval 4 less than equal to x less than 5, right? Means hence b minus a should be the set close interval 4 to open 5. This is set b minus a. Now next we have to find fifth number. Fifth number is a intersection a union b minus a intersection b. So this is the same definition for this. Suppose this is set, let I take name as a and this is named as b, then a minus b. So we have to find here a minus b. So what is a union b? A union b is -3 to 5 and a intersection b is close interval 2 to 5. Then their subtraction means a minus b means what, set up all those points x belongs to a but x does not belongs to b. So what is the definition for that set? So a minus b, sorry, A union B minus A intersection B. So let X belongs to R, then what we say that X belongs to, here is minus, so X belongs to A union B and X does not belong to A intersection B. Right, this is the definition. X belongs to A union B and X does not belong to A intersection B. So what is the union A union B? So A union B, if you know leave, X belongs to, what is the A union B? X belongs to A union B minus 3 5 and X does not belongs to what? A intersection B. What is A intersection B? 2 to 5. If you know leave, minus 3 less than X less than 5 and X, here we see what is minus 3 to 5, here is minus 3 to 5, here this interval, and x does not belongs to what? 2 to 5, here is 2 to 5, means set of those point x less than what? X strictly less than 2 or x greater than equal to 5. So which implies that strictly less than 2, right? Means set up all those points, X belongs to what are the points, set up those points which belongs to A union B. This is the A union B and A intersection B should be 2 to 5. So the set of points which belongs to A union B which is not in A intersection B. So what are the points? So the points X should be less than 2. Less than 2 means what? Minus 3 less than X less than 2. Therefore A union B minus A intersection B should be minus 3 to 2. This is the interval. Sorry, in this example here A intersection B should be 4. Sorry, so A does not belong to 2 to 4, means what? X less than 2 or X greater than 4, greater than equal to 4. Therefore therefore the points should be, so here minus 3 less than, so this is not point, so minus 3 less than X less than 5, and what is there here? X strictly less than 2, so X strictly less than 2 means what? Minus 3 less than X less than 5, and here is X greater than equal to 4. So here X greater than equal to 4 means only remaining part should be 4 less than X less than 5. Therefore the union and means what? Their union. So X belongs to what? Minus 3 to 5 union 4 to 5. This is the A union B minus A intersection B. So hence A union B minus A intersection B should be minus 3 to 4 minus 3 to 5 union 4 to 5. So last part, so last example, we have to find A minus B union B minus A. So what is A union A minus B? We have find third example, A minus B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is the interval minus 3 to 2 and B minus A is the interval 4 to 5, open interval. Then their union. So what is in real line? Suppose here is minus 3 and here is minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Here is minus 3, here is 2, and B minus A should be here 3 4. Here is close interval 3 4 to open 5. Therefore there in A minus B union B minus A, set up all those points which belongs to at least set A minus B or set B minus A. Therefore their union should be A minus B union B minus A is equal to their union. So what is the set? Minus 3 to union close interval 4 to 5. This is the A minus B union B minus A set. Now next we will see Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. So Cartesian product of sets. Next definition, Cartesian product of sets. Now the Cartesian product of two sets, the Cartesian product of two sets sets suppose A and B denoted by notation A cross B and defined as the set and defined as the set A cross B is equal to set of all order pair A, B such that A should be from set A and B should be from set B. B belongs to B. This is the definition for Cartesian products A cross B. Here A cross B is set of all order pairs AB such that A from first set A and this small b from second set B. So these are all possible order pairs. Hence order pair AB is called an order pair. It is order in the sense that open AB is not same as BA. It is order in the sense that order pair AB is not same as order pair BA unless A is equal to B. Since A and B have been written in different order. So an unordered pair is a set singleton AB. So for example, we have to find Cartesian product. For example, suppose I have said A has element A, B, C and set B has element 1, 2. Then their Cartesian product. So what is the Cartesian product? Cartesian product A cross B is equal to, what is the definition for Cartesian product? Set of all order pair AB such that A should be from set A and B should be from capital set B, right? So here we have 3 elements from set A and 2 elements from set B. So in the first order pair ABC, we should take ABC as the first order pair. So A cross B. Now in array form, we write. Suppose this is A, B, C, and second element. Suppose this is for set A and this is for set B. So this is 1, 2. Therefore, in order pair, this is the first pair and this is the second pair. So this is A1. A2, next this is B1, B2, this is C1 C2. So the set of all these order pairs we write in this way. So A1, A2. Next, so A cross B, A should be in the first place, and every element from ABC is in first place, and every element from set B is in the second place. So we take A with 1 and A with 2. Second one we will take B in the first place, and the second place we will take elements from B. So B1 and B2. Here is B1, B2. Now next, C1 and C2. These 6 elements in A cross B. So also we have to find B cross A. So what is B cross A? B cross A should be, now to find B cross A, so we have to write in array form. Here is B and here is set A, right? So the set of elements of B and set of elements of set A are like this. Here is what are the elements of A? A, B, C, and elements of B 1, 2. Therefore here is B cross A means every element from set B in the first pair, first order pair, and every element from set A should be at the second pair. So 1 we write 1A here, 1B and 1C. Next is 2A, 2B and 2C. Therefore B cross A should be 1A, 1B, 1C. Next 2A, 2B and 2C. So we observe that A cross B is A11, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, and B cross A is 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C. Now note that here A cross B and B cross A is not same, right? So note that A cross B is not same as B cross A, because A cross B and B cross A every pair are in order pair, and suppose A1 and there is no element which is A1. So here is A1 and here is 1A, so which is not same. Therefore A cross B which is not same as B cross A. Now note first, if a set A has an element, now if a set, first note, if A has m elements, if A has m element and set B has n element, then A cross B has m into n elements. So if A and B A has m element, B has n element, then A cross B has m into n elements. We have seen in previous example. So what is A here? A, B, C, and B is 1, 2. So what? How many elements in set A? Set A has 3 elements. So cardinality of A is equal to 3, and B has 2 elements. So cardinality of B is 2. Therefore A cross B has here set A has m element, B has n element. So its set of elements in A cross B will be m into n. So A cross B has element 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. We have seen we have A cross B has elements A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So there are how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements. So coordinate of set A cross B will be 6. Hence, if set A has m element and B has n element, then A cross B has m into n element. Second number, if A is subset of X and B is subset of Y, then A cross B is subset of X cross Y. Third one, now we generalize in general. Now in general, so Cartesian product, in general, Cartesian product, in general, Cartesian product of finitely many sets A1, A2 up to so on AN, as suppose A1 cross A2 cross AN is equal to set up all points A1, A2 up to so on AN, such that A1 should be belongs to capital A1, A2 should be belongs to A2, and so on AN belongs to AN, such that AI belongs to capital AI, where I runs from 1 to up to so on n. This is general definition. And last, two elements A1, B1 and A2, B2 belongs to A cross B, means these are two order pairs, or these two elements from set A cross B are equal if and only if first element, order pair of first element and second element should be same, if and only if A1 is same as A2 and B1 is same as B2. So this is the Cartesian product. Now in next video we will see relations. Thank you.